everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to remove Google account from an Android phone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To remove Google account from your Android phone, go ahead and open up Settings app from your Android phone. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Tap Accounts from the options at the top. Now, tap on the account you would want to remove. I'm gonna select this account. Give it a tap and tap on Remove Account on the next page. Confirm by tapping on Remove Account at the bottom right again, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to remove a Google account from your Android phone. If this is the only Google account on your phone, you'll need to enter your phone's pattern, PIN, or password for security. That is how you can easily remove a Google account from your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.